Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change storage device on Xbox One. First, connect your new external storage to one of the 3 available USB 3.0 ports on your console. Make sure the device is powered on if it needs external power. Then, from your Xbox dashboard, go to the Settings menu. This initial step is crucial for the console to recognize your new drive and prepare it for game storage. When selecting an external drive, aim for at least 128 gigabytes of storage. Crucially, it must be a USB 3.0 drive to ensure compatibility and fast data transfer speeds, which are essential for gaming. While traditional hard disk drives offer more storage for your money, solid-state drives, or SSD, provide significantly faster loading times, enhancing your gaming experience, though they come at a higher cost. Once connected, your Xbox will prompt you to format the new drive. Select the option to format it for games and apps. Be aware that this process will erase all data currently on the drive, so back up anything important beforehand. After formatting, you can easily move games. Go to My Games and Apps, select a game, press the menu button, and choose Move or Copy to transfer it to your new external storage. To optimize your storage, set your new external drive as the default location for future game installations. This ensures new downloads automatically go to the larger drive. Periodically review your storage in the settings to manage space efficiently, uninstalling games you no longer play. For extensive game libraries, consider using multiple external drives. This allows for better organization and ensures you always have enough space for the latest titles, keeping your gaming experience smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.